Hello and welcome to this video tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how to make fangs on any picture you have with the use of Photoshop CS4. Right, so we're going to be using this image right here, and we're going to be elongating this tooth and that tooth. So we're going to be using the warp tool, and yeah, it's not a very difficult tutorial. It's my first one, so I thought, I'd post something, something I haven't really seen much of, and something quite easy to, get me started. Right, so we're going to go to the first of all, we're going to duplicate this layer, so it's a copy now. We're going to double click on the quick mask tool to the selected areas, make sure that's turned on, press OK, and we're going to paint onto this. I went wrong a bit, didn't it? We're going to paint onto this tooth. So, that looks about right. Right, now we're going to hit Q, and it's going to select our tooth for us, and we're going to go to Edit, Transform, Warp. Now with the warp, we've got all of these points, anchor points, where we can pull, drag, and change it, so we can really fuck about with it. But today we're going to take the bottom left hand corner. I'm going to drag it until it looks just about right. Zoom out, yeah, that should be fine. Hit enter and Control D to deselect it. Okay, now we're going to go to the other tooth, do exactly the same thing. Only this one's just a little bit harder. We're going to hit Q to select it, edit, 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 transform, warp, and we're going to drag this down. Right, so what have we got? Put this in a bit. I think this is the hardest one, to be honest with you. The other one's just easy, just drag it down. Yeah, it should be fine. Well, look. Control D, yeah, okay, I'm happy with that. Right, we've created fangs, but they look a bit crap, to be honest with you. They, what's this black stuff? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to layer, layer mask, reveal all, and we're going to paint with a black paintbrush where we want to sharpen up these fangs. Take away just a little bit of that shadow in, not too much. We can keep the shadow to make it look more realistic. I'm going to just paint this one a little bit, get rid of all that rubbish there, and yeah, it's okay. No, I'm not too fussed with keeping it. And we're going to go to save with that layer mask. So now we can't. I can't screw up. And wait, yeah, keep that on. Now, what was I thinking? Sorry about that. We're then going to, obviously, if you've got more time, you can make this tooth a little bit better. Then we're going to make this actual picture look a bit more vampire-ish. Well, not Twilight vampire. We want them to be proper vampires, where they, don't like sunlight. We're going to go to this button down there, it's going to create a new layer, and we're going to go to hue saturation, and we're going to bring this saturation down to about, that's too pale. Yeah, about there, about 30, 33, and we're going to say yes, okay. Yeah, just to give them a bit, make it a bit more pale. Yeah, where's your? We've got a layer mask here, and we're going to once again paint black, but we're going to paint black on the lips. You know, give them a bit more color to them. Yeah. So you might want to make this bit a little better. And you know, what can you do? I'm also going to paint onto the eyes. You know, I don't. I want it to be pale, but I don't want it to look sick. So, and drab. So, now that's done. We've essentially done the fangs. I don't know. I want to make this a little better, if it were. So I'm gonna merge all these layers down on top of each other, and I'm gonna make some shadow with the burn tool. I want to burn some shadow into here, just because, well, yeah, at the moment it doesn't look very realistic. Huh. He says. So I'm gonna go to mid-tones. Nah. Get a bit of it. Yeah, let's see this. That's too much. That's way too much. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so we've done that, and I also want to change her eyes. Or they're a really nice color. I want them to be red eyes, so I'm gonna get my swatches over here. I drop the red, and we're gonna paint red onto them. No, wait, we're going to do that on a new layer. So, paint red onto the eyes. Bear with me. I know this looks a bit rubbish, but you know, it will turn out to be okay in a bit. I mean, this is the simplest, quickest way to change eye color. And we're going to go to the blending options, and we're going to go down to color, and that really roughly and quickly changes the eye color to red. I'm gonna just give an outline like that. Yeah, that's good. I'm happy with that. And you know, vampires are, well, notorious for not liking sunlight, so I'm going to go to my gradient tool. I'm gonna go to this one, the swirly kind of circle one, and we're gonna go change the colors to black, and we're just going to, no, this is on the wrong layer. Why don't we merge these? Merge down. Right, we're going to just use the gradient tool, just, you know, to put in some darkness. Ooh. I didn't have to fix this now. Right, good. You know, that's quick. Right, there we have it, our vampire. Yeah, it's quick, easy. Might not be the best way, but it works. And yeah, I'm happy with that. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, please rate, comment, and subscribe. You know, if you don't like it, you might want to give me some pointers on where I can do better next time. I'm hoping to put one out every week, and so yeah, I'll find something different. If you've got a query or you want to see a tutorial up, just message me and I'll take it into consideration. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.